In a medium saucepan, with 2 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of oil or butter to boil over medium heat. Bag into boiling water. Smells delicious. There's extra beef in there as well. And
take a spoon.
now it's time to mix. Don't touch it. It's boiling hot. Sides or on the other side because it's super hot. Delicious. Stir a cake noodles for 1 minute.
Simmer
For 5 minutes. Pour it until all water is absorbed. Let's check it out. This is so delicious. Have a look at it. See, it's so yummy and delicious. And now it's time to put on the lid. Now you have to wait.
Now we're going to put the heat on low.
Put it on low.
And how long does it say?
I think it says 5 minutes.
What's the next one?
Oh, it says 15.
So 15 minutes. Let's put our timer.
Alexa, set timer for 15 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes, starting now.
And now we have to wait. Now let's check out the rice, how it looks.
One.
So delicious. I want to lick the whole thing. Thanks for watching my video.
Who gets the best chef award for the day? Woo!
Thank you very much. I'll be coming every day. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button to watch more of my videos.